Have you always wanted to learn the Māori language but didn't know where to start? Take the first step and learn Te Reo Māori through Te Wānanga o Aotearoa and the Papa Reo program. This fun, beginners program teaches the basics in pronunciation and sentence structures and is the perfect platform for you to springboard your journey to Te Reo Māori. Through 4 learning modules, you'll be able to use formal and informal greetings, introduce yourself and recite your whakapapa. You'll be able to hold basic conversations and be equipped with key vocabulary to help you build your confidence and desire to learn more. In this rewarding journey, you'll gain an understanding and awareness of Te Reo Māori that can be used to support and enhance your current employment and knowledge. In this part-time, 52-week program, you'll be able to learn from home with amazing resources and be supported by regular visits from a kaitiaki, our dedicated learning guides. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. We're here to support your goals and success. Te Wānanga o Aotearoa offers a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. So come and see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa, or for more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz. See you soon, e hoa mā.